Versioning is an easy way to pre-populate templates with data as a starting point for planners. We can copy data from the previous forecast or budget, or even the prior year actuals, for example. You'll notice in the 2019 March forecast, we have some planned hours for Amelia and Kit. In the 2019 April forecast, there are no planned hours for those resources yet. We'll hop over to the Versioning tab under Modeler, and from the version dimension, we'll select 2019 March forecast and move it to the Copy From area. Next, we'll select 2019 April forecast and move it to the Copy To area. From the Year dimension, we'll select 2019 Q2 and move it to the Pages area. There are some additional options available. We'll just leave the defaults and click Run. Let's review the 2019 April forecast template. I'll click Refresh to pull in the latest data. And we can now see that we have data for Amelia and Kit in April, May, and June. Thanks for watching this tutorial on versioning.